from Makuyu, there is no other golf course. In Meru, we don't have a golf course. In fact, the next golf course from here is Nyeri and Thika. The next one in this whole province is Machakos. Now we want to encourage as many areas as possible to develop golf courses. Indeed, I want to challenge government also, that government should, as they explore areas of developing other sports, golf is a key sport that has been neglected for many years. If you go to countries like South Africa, today they are producing near world champions, because they have in one city like Johannesburg, they have in excess of 100 golf courses in one city, right? I don't know, Nairobi has quite a number of golf courses, but I want to challenge government to endeavor to develop the game of golf, or the game of golf in areas where we do not have golf courses.
So we are introducing it as a sport and economic activity. A golf club is like a 7-star hotel. It supplies a lot of room for exercise, for economic activity, for conferencing, accommodation, and even hotel. So as EMBU golfers and the friends of EMBU County, we are trying to support this particular cause to re-establish golf in this county.
We are extremely humbled and very, very happy that we are now on the map, on the golf map, not only in Kenya. Our resident pro, who is Mwembu, did represent us in Kenya Open. He's called Paul Mushangi. And today he's not with us because he's training to play in South Africa.